Today, I'm excited to share with you a really effective 5-minute scalping strategy that anyone can use. It's one of the best methods out there for quick trading. Just be sure to stick around until the end of this video so you don't miss any key points. Alright, so what exactly is scalping? It's a type of trading where you aim to make small profits on small price changes throughout the day. And with this strategy, we're focusing on the 5-minute chart. Although it can also work on the 1-minute chart, the 5-minute chart tends to be more reliable. Now take a look at this chart of Bitcoin. But keep in mind, this strategy can be applied to any asset or market, whether it's Forex, cryptocurrency, or stocks. For this strategy, we're going to be using 2 indicators. Let's dive in. The first indicator we're going to use is called the butterfly oscillator. This is a free tool provided by LuxAlgo. It's a really useful oscillator that helps us see changes in momentum. Essentially, it compares 2 moving averages, one regular and one flipped horizontally, to gauge momentum shifts. When it's positive and green, it indicates bullish momentum, and when it's negative and red, it indicates bearish momentum. Crossovers of the center line can give us signals, and it can also be used to spot divergences and identify overbought or oversold conditions. However, in our strategy, we're mainly going to use it to identify trends over a longer-term trend. So we'll adjust the settings of the indicator accordingly. We'll set the length to 500 and the levels multiplier to 1.5. With these settings, the butterfly oscillator will help us see the longer-term trend of the market. When it's green, it means the market is trending up, and when it's red, it means the market is trending down. Alright, now let's introduce the next indicator, which is a machine learning indicator called Machine Learning Lorentzian Classification. This indicator is quite robust as it's based on machine learning algorithms, specifically the Lorentzian distance classifier and the approximate nearest neighbors algorithm. These algorithms are known for their effectiveness in predicting future price movements. For our strategy, we're primarily interested in the buy and sell signals generated by this indicator. So we'll adjust the settings accordingly. We'll remove labels and tables from the Style tab since we only need the signals displayed on the chart. Before we dive into the strategy, I'd appreciate it if you could give this video a like. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon to receive notifications about my new videos. Now, let's get started. Alright, trading based on this strategy is straightforward, but it's crucial to pay attention to all the details I'm about to explain. So be sure to stick around until the end of the video. When the butterfly oscillator turns red, we only consider taking short position signals. Another important condition to note is when the histogram is red and moving downward from 0, indicating increasing downside momentum and a strong downtrend. Extreme levels indicate oversold conditions. Conversely, when the histogram is moving towards 0, it suggests weakening downside momentum and strengthening upside momentum. If the histogram crosses a certain line, especially after being at an extreme level, we disregard any short position signals in that area because it indicates a weakening downside momentum. Conversely, when the histogram is green, we only consider taking long position signals, ignoring short position signals. Similarly, when the histogram crosses a certain line, we avoid taking long position signals because it suggests weakening upside momentum and a potential reversal. Now, after covering all of that information, let's move on to some practical examples to illustrate how this strategy works in real trading scenarios. Clearly, we've witnessed numerous successful trades showcasing the profitability of this strategy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more strategies in upcoming videos.